This is the unboxing of the TrustKernel PlugOS. This is a USB extended computing device. I'm going to do a full review of this device, but this is just an unboxing to see what comes in the box. It comes sealed, as you can see, so you know this is brand new. Look how small that is, by the way. That's I mean, I've got large palms, but that's actually really, really small, which is to be expected because it looks basically like a flash drive. Let me just get this open. Wow, look at that. There are different colors. As you can see, that's different from the color on the case. So I wasn't even expecting this color, to be honest. But look at that. This is just the size of an average USB key. In fact, it's smaller than many USB keys that I own. Look at that. It just looks like a USB key. For all intents and purposes, most people that see this would just think it's a USB key, unless they know that name. And it comes in this lovely container. What else do we have here? So we have some instruction cards there. The user manual. Cool. And I believe this is the warranty card. You can fill that out and send it back. Okay, what else do we have in here? There's something else. Oh, this is a kind of mount. Actually, I've seen this used on a phone. This is to make it easier to connect to your phone and have the device flush against the back of your phone. I'll show you guys once I review this properly. It's got this case here for protection. Very, very nice.